If you enjoy watching my videos, please press this red subscribe button. Press this bell button so you don't miss out any of my videos. And if you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Fiza's Diary. I hope you guys doing well and enjoying my food recipes. Guys, you can also comment down below and let me know what you guys think about my previous recipes I shared with you guys. And today the dish I'm going to make is on your choice. As you'll remember, I put it on my Snapchat and asked which dish shall I make next, and majority of you comment for Haleem. So I'm going to cook Haleem today. For Haleem, the ingredients we need are 1 kg boneless lamb, 1 onion, half cup of chana dal, half cup of masoor dal, 1 cup of whole wheat, half cup of moong dal, half cup of rice, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 cup cooking oil, 1 shan Haleem masala. Soak all the dals, rice and wheat overnight. So guys, for tadka and garnish, the ingredients we need are 1 butter, 1 fine chopped onion, half of cup cooking oil, green chilies, ginger, lemon, cumin seeds, coriander. Cover with the lid until the water gets dry. So guys, once the water is dry, cook your lamb for 5 to 7 minutes. Add all your soaked ingredients and add 14 glass of water. Cover with the lid and let it cook for 45 minutes. 45 minutes later, as you can see, the Haleem texture is gone thicker. Add 1 teaspoon of dry coriander and then mash it with the blender. Once you finish with blending, make sure you cook the halim for 25 to 30 minutes and keep stirring. Once you've done the tadka, make sure you keep stirring and cooking for another 20 minutes. So guys, halim is ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's video. If you enjoyed my today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Inshallah, I will see you guys soon. Khuda Hafiz.